Health officials say St. Louis is headed for a third wave of COVID cases, but with vaccines, they say this one is entirely preventable. So they have a plea for everyone to help stop the spread. Please wear a mask. The new plea to wear a mask covers everyone, vaccinated or not, and particularly when you are indoors. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. That's because the state's seeing new hotspots pop up along I-44 headed for St. Louis. 5 on your side, Sarah Mackey's live along I-44 in St. Louis County. Sarah?
Yeah, the state says that they are seeing dramatic increases in 3 counties, Phelps, Laclede, Pulaski. So they have the warning that those are all affected along the Interstate 44 corridor. But they say that the Delta variant, it is already here. And now they want people to start wearing masks again. As these trucks pull out of a West Sullivan rest stop, some are destined for St. Louis, but there's already something ahead of them, the Delta variant. State officials say the Delta variant is traveling along the I-44 corridor. And in Crawford County, where only 22% of residents are vaccinated, driver Jerry Alston says he keeps his mask on to stop the spread.
I've already had both of my COVID shots, but at the same time, I'm considering my neighbor. So, and out of love, I wear my mask. Not just for me, but to protect others.
That's the message health officials want to hear.
The truth is the virus has already spread all the way up the 44 corridor.
Pandemic Task Force Chair Dr. Clay Dunnigan says they are seeing cases rise dramatically, like they did in the southwest corner of the state. But vaccination efforts are buying time, even though vaccine rates are still far too low.
We might be rising a little bit less quickly than southwest Missouri. And if so, I think that's because we had a higher proportion of citizens vaccinated. But we haven't had enough people vaccinated to keep it from coming.
Dunnigan says vaccines protect everyone long term, but a mask helps everyone the moment it goes on, which then helps them slow the run on hospital beds.
And we are really stretched from a healthcare resource perspective. That doesn't look like it's going to get better anytime soon, and we're going to be facing more and more COVID patients.
As Alston pulls out of this rest stop, delivering candy to Dallas, Texas, he says he will keep spreading the good word everywhere he goes.
It boils down to having love for your own neighbor.
In just the last 24 hours, 7 people in the St. Louis region have died from COVID. Another 86 are currently in the ICU. Virtually all of them are unvaccinated. Reporting live tonight, Sarah Mackey, 5 on your side.
New push